Dear friends, billions of bees, butterflies, and other extraordinary little creatures are dying very quietly, and the consequences could soon be devastating for our crops and the fragile ecosystems around the world. In this regard, the agricultural pesticides are playing a terrible role. But now the European Union is considering launching a systematic campaign to gradually reduce the use of pesticides by 2030, which could pave the way for a complete end to their use across Europe in 15 years. As a trading superpower, the European Union has a huge influence on setting global standards, and succeeding here can have a huge global impact. But before that, the powerful chemical lobby must be stopped from damaging the project. That's why environmental groups, farmers, beekeepers, and butterfly scientists are joining an incredible coalition to bring together the voices of 1 million citizens to ensure that European Union institutions meet their demands. In the last 50 years, the number of species of these insects have decreased by 50% or maybe even more. These include butterflies, bees, and most of the insects that sustain our food supply and our fragile ecosystem. Protecting the environment conducive to wildlife is an important part of the fight to prevent the extinction of these insect populations. To achieve this goal, it is important to deal with the flooding of pesticides in our fields, gardens, and parks. There is strong evidence that agricultural chemicals not only pollute water and soil, but are also deadly to bees and other human friendly insects. Not only is the movement gaining momentum in Europe, but the United Nations has announced plans to significantly reduce the use of pesticides ahead of international talks later this year. If we help those who demand it in Europe, more countries will follow the suit, bringing us one step closer to saving our bees and other useful insects from extinction, and will help small sustainable farmers to flourish.